Welcome again to my channel, where I talk about the latest DeFi projects to earn passive income with. In this video I'm going to explain what Drip is, how you can join the protocol, how you can get free Drip tokens sent straight to your Drip account every Sunday, and how you can build your own Drip team and earn rewards from people who join the ecosystem under you. Let me show you my Drip account first, so you understand what is possible. If we go to the Drip Formulate website, you can see my position. Drip Formulate is a free website, but I paid for the full version so I can better track my investment. At this moment right now, I have 2,700 drips sitting in my balance and this is earning me over $7,000 every month. That's $240 per day or $1,600 per week. These numbers are mind-blowing, and this will continue to go up as long as I keep compounding my daily rewards. Drip is like magic, but it's true. And you can get there too if you keep watching this video. Drip has been around for over a year, which is incredible, considering the fact that many DeFi protocols only last a few months, or even less. The ecosystem has been paying out 1% per day without any problems, and a few people who got in Drip from the beginning have already maxed out their account, and are now multi-millionaires. I will tell you how to max out your Drip account later on, so please be patient. Let me first explain how the Drip ecosystem works. I like to compare Drip with a bank. You deposit your money in the bank, let it sit there for a certain time, and in return for putting your money in a savings account, you receive a small interest and get your initial deposit back. That's how traditional banks work. The difference with Drip is that when you deposit your Drip tokens, you cannot withdraw your initial investment. You can only claim your 1% interest every day. But the biggest difference with a traditional bank is that Drip pays out 365% of your initial at the end of the ride, and if you compound or hydrate your interest every day you will make a ton of money due to the power of compounded interest. Let me give you an example by using the Drip Compound Calculator spreadsheet. You can download this handy spreadsheet for free. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's say that you deposit 1,000 Drip, and compound your interest every day without claiming. After 100 days you will have earned a total of 2,574 Drip. If the Drip price is still at $100, you will earn $2,574 per day. Just imagine all the things that you can do with all that extra money. And this in only 3 months' time. After 200 days of compounding, your Drip balance will have a total of 6,625 Drip. At the price of $100 per Drip, this comes down to a hefty $6,625 per day. That can be money to buy your dream car or to pay for your 3-week-long luxury vacation. But there's even more. After 300 days of compounding in the Faucet, you will have collected a total of 16,652 Drip. This translates to earning $16,652 per day after 10 months compounding in Drip network. This is the magic of compounded interest. Imagine if the price of Drip goes up to 150 or 200 or even more. The numbers will be astronomical. The current Drip price is around $9, so this is not the right time to sell your Drip. But if the price goes up to 100 or more, like it has in the past, and you have claimed your maximum amount of 100,000 Drip tokens, you can start selling and become a multi-millionaire. Drip is life-changing, and it doesn't matter when you get in, because every account earns the same. You buy Drip in the fountain with BNB, you deposit it in the Faucet, and it drips you 1% per day. There are taxes involved when you buy or sell Drip to keep it sustainable. If you deposit or sell Drip, you pay a 10% tax, but if you compound, there's only a 5% tax. For example, if you deposit 1,000 Drip in the contract, you will earn 10 Drip per day. You can compound the interest until you have 27,000 Drip tokens in your balance and reach maximum payout of 100,000 Drip. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your money. I only show you what I do. Don't copy anyone. Drip also has a referral structure, but it's not like a Ponzi or pyramid game, so you don't need to refer people to make money, you can play it solo. Drip has a round-robin referral structure, where all the team players get rewarded every so many actions. I'm not going to go into more detail now, but you can read more about the referral rewards in the white paper or watch my drip team building video on my channel. If you build a team, you will reach your max payout faster, depending on how many people use your buddy link, and how much drip they invest. If you want to start your own team, and earn from your referrals, you must have some BREEP tokens in your wallet. Without BREEP you will not get any commissions. The more BREEP you have, the deeper the level of referrals you can earn from. All the details on how much BREEP you need are in the white paper. BREEP can be bought on PancakeSwap. Click the Buy BREEP link and make sure to use PancakeSwap version 1. Here you can buy BREEP with any crypto. You just need to hold the BREEP tokens in your Metamask wallet, and you are good to go. It's important to keep in mind to not sell your BREEP, or you will no longer get referral rewards. Being a team leader comes with some responsibility, like airdropping drip to your team members on a regular basis. I have my own team called the Dripaholics, and I send my team members free drip every Sunday. If you want to know if your team leader is doing airdrops, you can simply look up the wallet address on the Faucet page. Put in the address here and all the details will pop up. As you can see, I have 22 direct referrals, and I sent out more drip than I received. You can look up all the information on how to join my team below this video. Now let me show you how to get started from scratch. First of all, you will need a Metamask wallet and some BNB tokens to pay for the transactions on the Binance Smart Chain. You can buy BNB on Binance or another exchange, and then send it to your Metamask wallet address. If you want to find out how to install Metamask from scratch, check out the video tutorial on my channel, and also how you need to connect your Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain. When done, you are ready to use the Drip community website. Don't forget to connect your Metamask wallet to the platform first, or you won't be able to do anything. Select the Metamask account that you want to use, and hit the Connect button. On the swap page, or the fountain, you can buy drip tokens with your BNB. If you buy drip here, you will not pay the 10% tax that is required on PancakeSwap. Enter the amount of BNB that you want to spend in the form field, hit the Buy button and approve the transaction. There's a 10% tax that goes into the smart contract pool when you buy drip, so keep this in mind. A part of the tax is used to pay out the daily dividends and referral bonuses, and another part goes to the reservoir where it is paired with BNB to provide liquidity to the contract. The drip tokens will be sent to your Metamask wallet, and you can see how much drip you have in the drip balance at the right side of the page. Well done, this is the first part of the job. Now we go to the faucet, where the magic happens. This is where you will see an empty box where you need to put in your buddy address. Drip is an invite-only platform, so in order for you to be able to use the Drip network, you have to have a buddy. I have my buddy link in the description box below. Feel free to use it. If you want to join my Dripaholics team and receive free drip from me every Sunday, please use the second buddy link. It's all in the description below. Then you just need to paste the buddy address here, and click Update. When done, your buddy address will show here. You cannot change your buddy later. If you want to join another team, you will need to create a new wallet from scratch. Once you have added your buddy, you can put your drip tokens in the faucet and start earning 1% per day. Put in the drip amount in this box here, click the deposit button and complete the transaction in Metamask. The drip will show up in your balance, and depending on your investment strategy, you can now claim your daily interest, or compound or hydrate your interest, until you reach maximum payout. To compound your daily rewards, just click the Hydrate button, and approve the transaction in Metamask. The available drip will be sent to your deposits and show up here. To withdraw your rewards, click the Claim button, and the drip will go right to your Metamask wallet. If you are interested in providing drip BNB liquidity to the smart contract, and earn yield from the protocol, you can do that in the reservoir. Put in the amount of BNB in the empty box here, and hit the Buy button to get into the reservoir. You will receive drops in return, and these will earn you yield from all the transactions that take place in the ecosystem. You can consider the reservoir as a yield farm. Remember that this will not earn you as much as the faucet, because there's a lot of money to be shared with other people in the liquidity pool, but it can be an extra income. I have a little BNB in the reservoir, to support the system, but my main goal is the faucet. I will keep compounding my interest every day, because I don't want to sell my drip until it hits $50 or more. As long as the price of DRIP is below $10, I will keep buying more DRIP to add to my balance. But this is my personal strategy. Yours may be different. Everyone has a different approach when it comes down to investing or taking profits. It's your money, and you decide what to do with it. Another reason why I don't plan to sell my DRIP soon, is because Forex is building a lending protocol. In other words, I will be able to lend out my DRIP to other people, and earn interest on that too. That will be amazing, and it will also keep people from selling the DRIP, which will boost the price to an all-time high. I'm very bullish on DRIP. There's also a lot of new stuff coming to the animal farm, like scratchies and a lottery system, and Forex said that the farms and pools will open again in October, so the future is looking great. DRIP will become a scarce asset when everything is up and running and new investors are getting in. I hope this video helped you to understand how the DRIP ecosystem works. If you want to read all the details again, you can download my free DRIP tutorial in which I show you how to start from scratch. Every step is explained, so you can do it at your own pace. The PDF download is below in the description box. If you like DRIP, then you will also like Furio. This is another ROI DApp that pays out 2.5% per day. It has the same mechanics like DRIP, but with some small adjustments. The Furio token is bought with USDC, instead of BNB, and you also can't take out your initial deposit, only claim your daily interest. I got in Furio from the start with a little money, but I managed to grow my account fast by compounding every day. I also set up a Furio team, and I plan to do airdrops to all my team members, so if you want to get in my team and earn some free tokens, you can use my referral link below. Or you can check out the Furio video tutorial on my channel, if you want to find out more about it first. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you have any comments, feel free to drop them below or ask me anything in my Crypto Miners Telegram group. If you are also interested in making money with crypto, and you want to support my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get a notification when I post a new video. It will help my channel to reach more people and make crypto more popular, which is a good thing for all of us. Thanks for your support. Have a great day, and stay safe.